guys, today we're making our marble run video. If you guys don't know, it's season 2 now. As you can see, we're not going to be making a lot because I'm going to Disney, so yeah. So let's get started. First, these are the marbles that will be going. These. Ocean and forest. Okay guys, 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. Oh, looks like we made it down first. Okay, sorry Blue, but you've been over and we made it. Okay, so now we have this one in the championship place. Now these two. Okay guys. 3.
So handsome, Mr. Handsome. He's a handsome. He's a handsome.
Whoa.
He is handsome.
Green's a little.
So handsome. Dancing damn. He's a handsome. He's a dancing. So handsome monkey time.
Oh, whoa. One wings look down. Now Blue will be eliminated. Blue will be.
Mr. Dansome. Love your handsome.
So these will go down.
Clementine. Alright, the way you people wear your socks drives me crazy. Seriously. Because now here I am trying to pack up to go and I don't have matches to socks. It's really really irritating.
And this is what it comes down to. Comment down below, who do you think will win this? Top 2. Don't skip through. No. Or else I'll remove your sub. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, yay! Orange, my goodness! Orange is a winner! Guys, season. Now we're going to be having. Some oranges. And soon we're going to be having just 2 colors going down. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe. And yeah, because these are Ryan videos. So bye. Buddha, Buddha, Buddha.